Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 715 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. That's the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. So to insert the key card for the room's power together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. Light switch right there. Power outlet down below. Down there we have the laundry stuff to the left, in-room slippers to the right, and we have a couple of bathrobes right above with more hangers, iron, torchlight, ironing board. Right above we have a couple of extra pillows with a place to put luggage right there, storage below, and right here we have the in-room safe. Okay, this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the bathroom with the sliding doors. To the left of the bathroom is a bathtub with the one bath mat towel thing right there, another towel right there. With a bin down there, more towels, we have storage on either sides of the sink. On this side we have the weighing scale, and it is empty on this side. And speaking of the sink, it is right there. We have a body lotion bottle right there with a bar soap, tissue box, bathroom amenities with a couple of face towels, and there's a mirror right above the sink with lights on either sides of it. There's another mirror right there with a ring light, a towel. Here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. And to the left of the shower, we have the shampoo, conditioner and body wash. There's a mirror. And on this side, we have the toilet with toilet paper to the right, or rather to the left of the toilet itself. There's a hook right there. And just opposite the bathroom is a mirror. Further inside, we have light switches right there. Here we have the pantry area with bottles of water, coffee machine, the tea and coffee making stuff. There are mirrors right above, power outlets right there, and below we have mugs and glasses, more glasses down here, and right at the bottom we have the kettle and storage. On the right, we have the fridge. It is empty, so you can put your own items in there. On the left bedside table, we have storage right above. Here we have the TV remote, writing materials, in-room telephone, power outlet, climate control panel, and the various light switches for the room, together with a light right above. Behind the headboard is a light strip, and here we have the bed itself. It is a very comfortable bed. There's a sofa-like thing in front of the bed, And opposite the bed is a flat screen LG TV. There we have a place to hang coats on. There's a bin down there. Desk area with the desk chair, the desk light, a sofa right there, another bedside table with storage, power outlet and light switches, and a light. And right here we have power outlets, a USB-A port and a HDMI port. Down here we have storage. As for the view, we can see the hotel's pool below and the buildings that are next to the hotel. You can also see the buildings in the distance. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 715 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. Thanks for watching and goodbye.